Everyone, let's talk about the money you are losing every single day without even realizing it. You spend hours, maybe days, crafting the perfect email. You have got a great offer, a beautiful design, and a killer subject line. You hit send and then silence. The truth is, about 20% of legitimate business emails never even make it to the inbox. They are sitting in the spam or promotions folder where nobody sees them. If you are invisible, you can't sell. I am Gajendra Raman and I help businesses fix their email deliverability. In this video, I am going to show you why Gmail and Yahoo are blocking you and how you can fix your reputation in less than 10 minutes. If you want to double your open rates, stay with me. So, why is this happening? Well, in 2024 and 2025, the game completely changed. Google and Yahoo got tired of spam. So they rolled out strict new rules. It doesn't matter if you are a big company sending 5,000 emails a day or a small creator just sending 50. These rules apply to you. The old way of just hitting send and hoping for the best, that's dead. Today, your emails need what I call a digital passport.
If your passport isn't stamped correctly, the big providers like Gmail will turn you away at the border.
There are three main pillars we need to fix right now to get you back into the inbox. Pillar number one, authentication. Yes, you heard it right. This is your digital ID card. You have probably heard of terms like SPF DKIM and DMARC. I know they sound technical, but think of them as your signature. They prove to Gmail that you are who you say you are. Without these, you look like a scammer and you will go to straight to the junk. Pillar number two, your content. The AI filters reading your emails are smarter than ever. If you use trigger words like free, act now, or too many dollar signs, you are waving a red flag. I have put a full list of these danger words in the description below so you can avoid them. Now, the pillar number three, your sender reputation. This is exactly like a credit score, but for your email domain. If people don't open your emails or if they mark you as spam, your score drops. If your score is low, Google stops trusting you. You have to warm up your inbox and prove you are a good sender. Hey guys, if you are still with me, I am going to share a very secret pro tip, the really a hack, the reply hack. Now, here is a secret that most experts won't tell you. Engagement is the new SEO. The single best way to tell a mail provider that you are a good guy is to get a reply. When a subscriber replies to your email, it tells Google, hey, I actually want to hear from this person. It's like getting whitelisted instantly. So here is my pro tip. In your very first welcome email, don't just sell. Ask a simple question. Ask them, what's the one thing you are struggling with today? Or where are you joining us from? When they reply, your deliverability score skyrockets. This is one simple trick can boost your long-term reach by 40%. Fixing your email deliverability is not a one-time thing, it's a habit. But if you get these three prayers right, You will stop leaving money on the table and start reaching the people who actually want to hear from you. I know this can feel overwhelming, so if you want me to take a look at your specific setup, just drop a comment below with the word inbox. I will send you my personal deliverability checklist for free to make sure you have not missed a step. Don't let your hard work end up in the trash. Hit that subscribe button for more deep dives into how to master your email marketing. I'm Gajendra Raman and I will see you in the next video.